For every 2 videos, there will be a themed color. So for this video and the next video, the color theme will be green. As you can see, I have my green bit of collection right here. We got Pickle Rick, a green chapstick, and a green flip phone, which is a Android phone that I used to have that I didn't end up wanting to keep using. I stuck to my iPhone. Alright, we got that. And then we got a Halo mug. If you guys played Halo before, it's a game, if you don't know. And we got a candle, but I don't think I'm gonna keep the candles according to the color. I'm gonna try my best to. Anyways, if you notice the pattern, and if you want to notice the pattern, you can check out my last videos or my old videos. So I don't have much videos out right now, but my first 2 videos are red, and the next 2 after that are blue. As time goes on, I'm gonna try to add as much as I can to the theme. Like I will try to start wearing my clothes green, and obviously I'm gonna keep trying to add the right color theme of items. And then obviously the
Damn boy, how many times you gonna say obviously?
LED lights, I'm gonna try to keep them like right here, this little puppy right here. I'm gonna try to keep it according to the color, and keep trying to add as much as I can. Obviously I'm not wearing green right now, and that's because I don't have much clothes right now. I don't know. Anyways, for this video I will be explaining what kind of things I have been through as a small YouTuber, and what kind of things you might go through if you better start a YouTube channel. I have not made a lot of videos yet, but I feel like just with the ones I have made already, I have been through quite a lot of experience. But these things that I do know, I feel like are already important to know. So this is why I'm sharing this with you. So I'm going with 5 questions that I believe many people would want to ask before even starting a YouTube channel. So these are the 5 questions that I'm going to be asking and answering to them. So the first question is going to be, is it hard to start? No, it is not hard, but I do not have that much experience. I'm just saying based off of what I have kind of been through so far. So don't think that that I might have a lot of experience or something, or that I'm some kind of maybe already professional YouTube maker, creator. Nothing. No, I have not much experience. The only experience that I have is probably the same amount that you guys have. I just watch YouTube videos, mostly for entertainment, but I have watched YouTubers and stuff, and I kind of like catch on to things that they may have done and stuff. So things I have seen and stuff, I just kind of go off based off of that. So I'm like, okay, I'm gonna create content, and I remember this one YouTuber did this one certain thing, so I'm gonna try doing that. So if you've already started and you already are finding it hard, it is most likely because you are making it hard. Look, the way I see it is, creating content is supposed to be an amazing experience. That's because you are able to be as creative as you really want. No one is telling you what kind of content to create, so try not being as hard on yourself. Like, you get to decide what you get to make. Like, just because you don't understand how to edit, or maybe you don't understand how to make thumbnails, doesn't mean that you have to beat yourself up over it. No, just take it slow, learn little by little, and you are gonna get it eventually. Like, there has been so many times that I've just like, oh my god, I don't really know how to edit, or I don't know how to make this look cool. I don't know how to do cool things. Maybe like shoot fireworks into the, I don't know what I'm saying. But anyways, basically what I'm saying is, take your time and learn everything at your own pace. Don't force yourself to go intelligent mode, or to be something that you're not, you know. Question 2, is it stressful, fun, or boring? Well, it's pretty obvious that you want it to be fun. Best answer I can give you for this one, which I think is actually a great answer: make content that excites you. Find a niche that you are interested in. Just imagine that you hate books, and you're trying to make a YouTube channel based off of books. It is a pretty high chance that you will most likely not enjoy making the content about books. I've always enjoyed self-growth and actually just like learning how to grow as a person in general. So obviously I'm gonna enjoy making content about it, you know? And you know, that's why I'm bringing you guys along with my journey on how to become the best person, the ultimate person that you are, in order for grow together basically. Question number 3. Is editing hard? Editing is actually quite simple, but once you get the hang of it. Editing could be a little frustrating, like once you're kind of already starting basically. And that's kind of because if you're going at it without getting any help, you aren't gonna have the best time trying to figure out how to make cool edits and stuff. You might want to use YouTube, TikTok, you know, all those social medias that you can possibly find in order to learn the most that you can. Trust me, it's gonna make the process a lot more easier and faster to be able to learn all these things. Something I do want to mention though, editing does take a good amount of your time, depending on how much quality you want in your video, or basically just how much edits you want in there. I enjoy kind of making my videos a little more enjoyable by adding sound effects in there, or by making a little bit more sillier than it probably should be. So for me, editing does take a little bit longer. But of course, as time goes on, editing is pretty much going to be easier and easier as time goes, because I am still a beginner, so I have a lot to learn. Oh shit, you guys are still here? My bad. Water first, peasants second. Oh my god, I'm sorry. Question 4. Is it expensive to start a YouTube channel? The thing about money on YouTube channel and spending on it is depending on how much smooth you want your experience to be with it. If you want to spend somewhere closer to $0 on your YouTube channel, you kind of have to expect your quality to be a little less qualitative, or maybe we should say less quality. But that's totally fine, because we all have to start somewhere, you know? And if you are spending more money, then your videos are likely to be higher quality. Like spending for your camera quality, your sound quality, or lighting, or music. These types of things will make your videos better. But the thing is, you just have to go in your pace. It all depends how much you want to spend on stuff, and depending on how much you want to grow and stuff, and how fast you want the process to go. But if you guys are curious, I have spent like almost $100 on my YouTube channel for equipment and like an app or something. Personally, I would rather spend money on things like this in order to grow, like YouTube or just on myself, rather than spending money like on, I guess, clothes for my wants, basically, you know, clothes, shoes, for video games, you know, stuff like that. Question number 5. How time consuming is being a YouTuber? I do believe that making YouTube videos is pretty time consuming, because I have created content for hours in a day, and just like editing and thinking of ideas. But like I said earlier, it all depends how fast you want to progress. So yeah, putting more content out there, the better. That's why I am putting a lot of effort in order to make as much as videos as I can, and just keep going and going and going. So taking it slower means slower progress. In the end, I think being a YouTuber is going to take up a lot of your time, because you're the one controlling your YouTube channel. So you're in charge of recording videos, editing, buying equipment, thinking of ideas, organizing your video, making thumbnails, all that stuff. But honestly, if you love doing it, it doesn't even matter how long it takes. You know, it's basically another hobby of yours. But anyways, those are 5 important questions that I have answered right there. That is pretty much all from me. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video and learned something new. But I'll see you guys in the next one.